beneficial for my company? Hello?
This question is for me.
From
Hello.
Ramesh. Yeah, Ramesh.
Yeah, me. Ramesh. Yeah,
Ramesh, you
Ramesh.
are inside of that office
Answer.
and be waiting outside, okay?
Yeah.
So you are alone in that cabin. Okay, keep asking questions, Raj,
Yeah, yeah.
and you reply.
Okay, I'm gonna repeat again. Okay. I just want to also how can you helpful and beneficial for my company? Hello, Ramesh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
speak me.
Sorry, guys. Speak anyone, guys. Yeah, I cannot understand your English. Yeah, I'm an
Ramesh,
English
Ramesh,
beginner.
Ramesh,
Yeah,
Ramesh. I just want
yeah.
to tell you I have a question about my company. How can you beneficial for my company? Why I hire you?
Yeah, I am Ramesh.
Yes,
I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm basically computer science student because I love the computers. I'm also
yes,
programming.
yes.
And yeah, I like one or more programming I have. And my own interest in Android development side.
Okay.
Then I am also using a computer, but I still my
Yeah,
completion
yes.
in yes, no
So
graduation.
do you know about something Revit and AutoCAD?
What?
Hello. Do you know
Yeah,
about some Revit and AutoCAD software?
Adobe software,
Could you please
AutoCAD,
repeat?
AutoCAD, the
AutoCAD.
computer aided designing,
Yeah.
and Revit. Do you know?
Yeah, I know AutoCAD.
So you can make a draft. If I'm giving any building construction draft section, so you can make a draft.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm,
Just try
Yes.
to
because
speak, okay? Don't take a time for thinking, okay,
Yeah.
Ramesh?
Yeah.
Just try to speak, okay? What the thing come in your mind, keep talking, keep replying, okay?
Yes.
okay, AutoCAD. Yeah, I'm using the AutoCAD last 3 months, but AutoCAD is not interest. I interest in another side. Yeah,
Yes.
more. Yeah, I am also interested in videos and audio editing and 3D animations also. And
So
then
you
more that.
so you are very good in the 3D Max. Do you know about the 3D
Yeah,
Max?
yeah.
Yes.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Okay. So if I give you any plan in the interior designing, so how much time it will take to how much time it will take to if I give you any 3D interior designing? Yes, Ramesh.
3D regarding. Yeah.
If
That
my
is
client
can say.
they need to power selling and they need to interior designing exterior work, so how much time it will take on your 3D Max? I just want to know that things.
3D
Hello.
Max,
Yeah,
3D IMAX Max.
as you mentioned, you know very well the 3D Max. So if I'm giving any project, so how much time will take it? If I'm giving a one project for 1500 square feet, so how much time it will take to?
Yeah, you are speaking. I cannot. You will understand. Not in understand. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna repeat again. You can listen very carefully what I'm saying right now. I'm saying if I'm giving a 1500 square feet SFT square feet elevation and how much time it will take to interior designing in 3D Max on 3D Max because you know the 3D Max very well. Hi Ramesh.
3D Max 500 meters. Yeah, you
Oh,
are.
Okay.
Yeah, no, not I am on the understand. Yeah, but I mean, this
Okay.
beginner you are
Okay.
speaking, I not understand. But I know my mother tongue languages. I know 3D Max, but how to spell my English, I don't know.
No, I'm not telling.
Yeah,
Simple
yeah, yeah,
English
yeah.
speaking.
You're asking in
I'm
simple, but
saying
I
1500 square feet. How much
oh,
time you need to make a project on 3D Max? Uh, I just ask you simple question. It's not a uh, it's not a vast question. It's not a curriculum question. I'm just simple question. How much time it will take it?
500 meter reach பண்றதுக்கு 500 meters then feet.
1500 SFT. I'm talking about the 1500 SFT. 1500 SFT. How much time will it take it?
Then
Okay. So next time, Abhishek. I think Abhishek. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Abhishek.
Hello.
Yeah, maybe he's not here. Okay. So
Okay. So how many guys right now
okay,
on the
you
CC?
ask me now. I'm a teacher and I want to work.
Okay.
I want to work in your company. So what the
Yeah.
question about me? And you know, my background is science. Okay, now I'm working for English because I want to go for English teacher. But if you have
Okay.
some vacant, so okay,
Yeah, I have some just like. Do you know about the American accent?
American accent.
Yeah. If I hire you, if my client is belong from the US, so how can you communicate with very well? So that's why I'm asking you that question.
Actually, sir, this time it's really I don't have accent American and British, but now I'm working. Okay, so I
Yeah.
believe very soon I'll learn
Okay, that's great. So how can you helpful my company if I hire you?
because I'm very positive. My thinking is very positive. I have a good communication skill. That's the reason I
Okay.
want to I want to apply.
Yeah. And how much salary do you want?
Salary expectation.
Yeah.
Yeah, my last salary is 40,000. So
Yeah.
yeah, definitely this time I want to get more than before.
So in a previous time, you are also working any company?
No, that was not company. That was school. That was international school.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why you quit that school? Right now you are
No, I
joining
did
in the.
not quit. I did not quit. That time I was working there as a science teacher, and now this time I want to work as an English teacher. Okay. And because of
Okay.
someone advised me, because of I have a very good communication skill. Okay. That's the reason
Yeah.
I came to you. And by newspaper and by a job search and naukri.com, I got that you need to apply for in your company.
Yeah. There's anything guarantee if you got a good chance, so you can also quit my company.
No, not like that. Salaries doesn't matter about all about satisfaction. And I know I'm a very good orator. So this time I want to work something different, some innovative idea. And I am thinking, I think your company is now increasing day by day, and it's very great chance for me if I get a chance to work with you and your company.
Okay. So how much salary do you expect from my company?
It's up to you. I told about me, my last salary, and now this time
Okay.
up to
If
you.
if I'm giving only 10,000 rupees, so are you satisfied for it?
No, I told sir, actually salary is not everything, you know, but I told
Yeah.
very clearly that last time I was getting 40,000 and my expectation is that, yeah, because I will decrease that time. It's not my increment. So definitely,
So yeah, as you mentioned, you are not giving important to salary, important to money. You are just giving your quality of work. You want to improve your quality. So why not you do social work in my company? There's a lots of weaker section, so you can promote this weaker section. Also, you can go do your good novel job, social job.
I did not get. Could you please repeat?
Yeah, I'm gonna repeat again. You just mentioned I did not give importance of money. I only
I
give
told,
importance
no,
of
no, no, you have a
quality.
confusion. You have a confusion. I told money is not everything. Money is not
Okay.
everything. Sometimes we need satisfaction. You asking why I left my that job. That
Yes.
time I
Yes.
told only I have only PRT teacher. Okay, I was PRT with science. Now I don't have MSc. But after completing my MA in English, that time also I am now. I want to enroll myself for PhD and MPhil. Okay, so
Okay.
definitely this time I my expectation is very different and that time very different.
Okay. Where you want to see after 10 years, if I give you work in my company, so where you see after 10 years?
After 10 years.
Yeah.
Okay. 10 years is very long time, sir. After 6 months and 1 year, yeah. I your company now this time your company is a number one in Bihar, okay? And when
Yes.
you will hire me, your company will be number one in India. And
Okay.
the next 2 years, your company will be um this name is very well known about all over the world. It's world's biggest and number one company. I assure you.
Okay. So you don't want to see your after 10 years as a CEO in my company because this is
CEO
good for
doesn't
my
matter,
company.
sir. I told CEO doesn't matter. Okay, if I start my company,
Okay.
also I am CEO of my company. But matter is that atmosphere and your company is very. If you are very energetic person, you have a very innovative idea. If I join you, so definitely I learn lots of things by you.
Okay. I'm gonna hire you because you are a very interesting personality, and I give a more important the personality trait. So I really definitely I gonna hire you, or I give you whatever your salary expectation. Okay. Welcome to my company.
Yeah, thank you. And about my friend, sir, about my that friend Ramesh, about
Yes.
Yeah, I will say something about the Ramesh because Ramesh did not give to me the up to date what my company requires because I need to communication skill so they can talk with my foreigner client. So you are very good, but I given a project, but he did not give me the answer, proper answer. How much time will take
Okay.
is the
Okay.
one project. So I will consider on the Ramesh and I will give I will take some time. After some times, after 1 or 2 months, I will be give a reply to Ramesh. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Hello.
okay,
Sonali.
sir. One new member want to give his uh,
Yeah.
Sir Raghav is my one friend. He is waiting. He also want to
Okay.
join your company. Can I add Raghav? Can I call Raghav?
Yeah. I know he's a big boss.
Oh, don't say like that, big boss. He's the only want to work with your company. Okay, you're a boss. Don't
Okay.
forget.
Okay. Where
Uh,
where we gone?
yeah.
All of member.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Raghav is my friend. Also, he want to join your company.
Yes.
So, could you please now take his interview?
Yes. Hal. Where is
Raghav?
Raghav?
Yes, sir. Of course.
Yeah. So how can you beneficial for my company, Raghav? Tell me your
Uh,
ability.
okay. Ability of mine. Of course. That's really a nice question. I would love to answer this. I found, see, since my beginning, if I talk about my educational background, I took science, which is concerned about the technology.
Yes.
When I became, when I came in the situation to choose graduation, I chosen BTech rather than doing BCom, BSc, or BA.
Yes.
So since my childhood, or you can say by birth, I was kind of tech holic, tech guy. now I think I can do better with my skills, and as per my experience, you may consider this. So I found this job suitable for me.
Okay, so your background is account. So yeah, I need a accounts person who can take care of our accounts related matter. So I need that. So you can. I just want to. If I'm giving any project, so how much time it will take?
Well, I am very stretchable person, sir. So I can stretch it according to the requirement. If you need a 10-hour work, 12-hour work, I can do this as an exception as well. So it depends
Oh,
upon the project, and with my
yeah,
team coordination, because I'm working in a team nature, definitely I'll do that.
yeah. So you are a fresher?
No, sir, I'm experienced person.
Okay. How many days you have experience?
Well, I worked with two companies before appearing this interview. The first one was Vastu Vihar, and now I'm working with Emaar India, which is a MNC company, a Dubai-based company who deals with the real estate stuff.
So where did you quit that company?
One was from my basic hometown, which falls in Bihar, and the second, which I'm currently working in Delhi NCR.
Okay.
That's right, sir.
So how much salary do you want to?
From you?
Yes, my company.
Well, that's expectation. The expectation is something which is mine. It doesn't matter. First of all, I really wish to join your company, which is a brand these days in a market, and I
Okay.
would love to be a part of the brand. So salary doesn't matter for me, but I won't ask you, to pressurize you more, but just according to the normal norms, the hike norms, which is 30% to 35%, I'll be happy with that.
Okay. So as you mentioned, you are not giving important to money. That month you are only give important to quality. So just like my company. So do you want to social work on my company because there are lots of things. So you can take care of the social work.
Of
Hello.
course, if I'm getting paid for the social work by your company, being an employee of your company, I'll love
But
to do that.
so if I'm giving you 10,000, so it's really good for you.
Uh, well, see, as I mentioned earlier, sir, the money
You
is
are not
the.
give, as you mentioned, you are not giving an important of money. You are giving a quality of time, quality of my company, and you
Uh-huh.
can learn lots of things from my company. That's why I'm asking you if you do your
Oh,
normal job. So I will
mm-hmm.
give you only 10,000. So it's really good for you.
Let's talk about like my last withdrawn salary was 40,000 rupees. Lastly, I withdraw the salary of 40,000, 40,
Oh,
a month.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, I don't understand how you're offering me 10,000 rupees, and
Yeah,
how does it
that
suit with
as
that profile?
as you mentioned, I did not give a important of money. Money is not important for me. That's why I'm asking you if you
यार
do
किस
the
बंदे
social
ने
work.
इसको बनाया इंटरव्यूअर पहले ये बताओ tell me first of all. I was very clear at the starting, like
Hello.
I am not demanding anything more. According to the norms of hike, just 30 to 35%.
Yeah.
30 to 35%, which means 30% of my current salary, which is 40,000, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So that's what
Okay.
I was willing to say you indirectly, not saying yes, I want 60,000,
So,
right?
if I give you 42,000, so you will work my company.
Well, sir, that amount of money, 2,000 rupees, I can easily get, in my just appraisal, or if I do the,
Yeah.
extra work, I'll get it 2,000 rupees. So 2,000 not a big concern to changing my company, right?
So what
Why
do
would
you
anybody change their company to just get a 2,000 rupees?
so what do you want to expected salary? Tell me.
Oh,
I want to
well,
know.
sure, sir. As you are asking me very deeply about the exact figure and amount,
Yeah.
I would ask you 70,000. 70.
70,000. But
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you only 55,000.
Okay, 55,000.
Is it good for you?
Can you make it 60,000, sir? That will be really okay for me as well.
Oh, okay, I will give you 60,000.
Thank you so much. So you're a very kind-hearted person. I'll join you from tomorrow onwards.
Okay. Okay, most welcome. Because you are a very enthusiastic person, that's why I'm giving you salary, and I expect you to you give a lots of things to my company.
Of course, sir, I'm very obvious person, and I can, with the help of my knowledge and skill, I would love to learn more and contribute more into your revenue of your company.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Hello. Hello.
Thank you, sir,
Yeah.
for Raghav, for me, and about Ramesh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ramesh, I also give after 1 month.
Okay,
Oh, okay.
after a month,
Yes.
you will
Give a job.
give a job to Ramesh. Okay,
Yeah.
but we are friends, sir, and we want to work together.
Okay, I will at first I will think about it. I will talk with my staff, and
Stop,
I
sir.
will
You're a
talk.
boss. It's your company. So
But
why you will?
yeah, but I want to talk with some person just like they are a shareholder.
Okay,
So I want to talk, and then I will be decide what I will be
okay.
giving.
And Ramesh, about you, you really are you taking interest to work in their company?
Yeah. I'm also interested.
Okay, so what the reason you want to work with them with their company?
And I frankly tell you that company name.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know company name.
It's Raj's
Please,
company.
which company?
What is the real
Yeah.
name of your company?
Yeah. Green Enterprises.
You know Raghav, his company is in Bihar.
Raghav know me
Okay.
very well.
Raghav,
Yeah,
no.
Yeah,
I
Delhi,
know him.
Delhi and Bihar and Chandigarh.
From Delhi to Bihar and Raghav is Bihar to Delhi and you Delhi to Bihar. What happening? This is India.
The world is very small.
World is very small.
I say the world is very small.
Okay.
Yeah.
World is very small.
But
Okay.
right
But
now,
your
I just want
Bihar
to,
is very big.
yeah, I just want to say I'm not a good speaking, but I'm nervous when you are giving an interview. I
Why
don't
not? You
know.
have to maintain your attitude. I have only
Yeah,
plain bio. I have only plain my MA. But because of only confident, everyone wants to talk. So that's the reason you
yeah,
are a boss. You have your own company.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah.
and why before? Okay. Well, I'm so sorry. I was recording this call. I should stop. Okay.